Are you thinking about buying web hosting? Wait, because you might be paying way more than you need to. Right now, Hostinger is offering an incredible deal where you can get up to 85% off. And if you click the special link in the description, you'll also get an extra 20% discount automatically applied to your billing. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to search for coupon codes, paste promo codes, or try random discounts from the internet. Just click the link below, and the maximum discount is activated instantly. Now, let's talk about why so many people are taking advantage of this deal. Normally, starting a website can be expensive. Between hosting costs, security, and domain names, the total price adds up quickly. But this offer helps you save a huge amount right from day one. And here's where it gets even better. When you claim this deal, you'll also get free extra months added to your hosting plan. That means you're paying less, but getting more time included for free. You also get free SSL, which helps secure your website and protects visitor information. And on eligible plans, you'll even get a free domain name, helping you save more money while launching your website. Now, maybe you're wondering, is it risky? Not at all. Hostinger includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not satisfied, you can simply request a refund. That means you can test everything almost completely risk-free. And whether you want to start a blog, create an online business, launch an e-commerce store, build a portfolio, or make a WordPress website, Hostinger makes the process simple. Even if you're a complete beginner and have never built a website before, getting started is incredibly easy. That's one reason millions of people trust Hostinger. It's beginner-friendly, fast, reliable, and affordable.